The SEO landscape is consistently growing, and so is the on-page SEO. As a result, we now have to think beyond just the title and meta description to optimize our pages for major search engines. There are several methods for optimizing your website for search engines, but some basic aspects should be present on every page. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and in this video I am going to tell you about 5 on-page elements to test and optimize if you find your pages underperforming. The first one on my list is enhance your content. Of course, the first thing you need to pay attention to is your site's written content. If you want to convert your audience into paying customers, you have to make sure that each page of your site focuses on providing value to your visitors. Make good use of your keyword research, because if you don't have a clear focus for your content, your audience might find it difficult to interact with it. Use targeted keywords in title tags. The title tag is basically the title of your web page that is used by search engines to determine what your page is all about. Make use of exact keywords that your page is targeting, as according to Google, it is also counted as a tiny ranking factor. For example, if your keyword is, let's say, important SEO tips, then you need to add this keyword into your title too. This would help your page rank higher in search results and make it simple for your targeted audience to find you. We also do the same. Like in this blog, our primary keyword was NFT marketing, and we added this in our title too. Now, it is going to be easy for Google to rank our page and also make it easy for people to find it. Next one is page URLs. URLs are important for both SEO and user experience. Every web page generates a unique URL, and you should make some efforts to ensure that yours has the right keywords. Now, it is going to be easy for Google to rank our page and also make it easy for people to find it. Like if you have a product page, then add the product's name in the URL. Let me give an example. On the screen, you can see that I search for headphones and this page pops up. If you closely see the URL here, they have properly mentioned the product name, that is JBL noise cancellation headphones, in their URL. Likewise, your blog page should also have the proper keyword mentioned in the URL. Like in this blog, NFT marketing was focused keyword, and the same is added in the URL too. Next is image alt. Image alt is very important, as it is the description behind the image that is displayed behind the visual elements. Confused? Let me tell you in simple terms. Let's say a photo doesn't load properly once your web page loads fully. Then what your alt tag does is it would take its space so that the view can still understand what it was you were trying to show them. Keep one thing in mind, that your alt tag should be accurate or specific, because it is depicting your image. For example, let's say there was a web page that contains an image of a chocolate. In that case, what people mostly write in the title tag is the source of the image and alt tag as chocolate. Now, this alt can work, but it is not considered an accurate alt tag if we look from SEO point of view. Instead, if we specify what exactly is there in the image, like if we talk about this image, the better alt tag would be the source of the image and alt tag as dark chocolate coffee flavored bar. The whole point of me explaining this example is that write an alt tag which provide meaning to your image. Now, the last one is make sure you use both internal and external links on your content. Internal links are basically used to point at other content within your website. This helps Google understand the context of the page and how it is related to other interlinked pages on your site. As you can see here, that we have also done interlinking into the blogs. When we click on these links, the blog related to these topics opens up. Now, Let's talk about external linking. External linking points out to the content which is outside of your website. They can help you in building reader trust by referring to reliable source and providing extra information on complicated or less understood issues. So these are the 5 ongoing SEO elements that, if taken care of, will sure increase your ranking, traffic and conversion. If you have any questions regarding this, just drop your query in the comment section below. Now I'll meet you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.